Alright, let's get this over with. Wait, what the fuck? Who did this? Paul, got over here.
What do you want, you fucking bitch?
Why is there a national alert saying that I'm gay?
I don't fucking know. Ask Dave.
Dave, get over here.
What the fuck do you want? I was in the middle of a good.
Why is there a national alert saying that I'm gay?
Hey, hiya.
Paul, you fucking asshole, get over here.
Aw shit.
There we go, now that fucking retard is dead.
Tom, what the hell? Why did you do that?
Because he publicly announced I'm gay.
Well, are you?
I plead the fifth.
What's up, motherfuckers?
Oh shit.
Paul, what the hell? How are you still alive?
I am immortal. You can't fucking kill me. Now Tom, get the fuck over here, so I can kill you.
AHHHHH.